Kaplan Medical is excited to introduce a powerful new tool to support your learning, AI Tutor. Using generative AI in an interactive conversational workflow, Kaplan's AI Tutor offers on-demand, personalized support to enhance your learning and performance. Think of AI Tutor as your in-course expert, available to explain any concept that sparks your curiosity or leaves you feeling stuck. If you have a question about a particular assessment item or just want to dig deeper, click the purple K icon in the bottom right and AI Tutor will open up. Type your prompt and you're on your way. Want another exam-like question about a topic while reviewing a quiz, a set of flashcards to learn from, or advice on what to study next? AI Tutor is your medical board expert, ready to guide you on your journey to content mastery and greater confidence on test day. After responding to a question, AI Tutor will suggest follow-up prompts to help you dive even deeper. Just click a prompt to explore further or type your own question to keep learning. Want to pick up where you left off? You'll find past conversations a click away in the left menu. Would you prefer to learn in another language? AI Tutor is ready to respond in the same language as your prompt. So go ahead and give AI Tutor a try. Ask the questions you need help with, explore concepts that spark your interest, and dive deeper into key topics. With you in control, AI Tutor will be there for you every step of the way. Thank you for choosing Kaplan.